Alright, so here we got the iRobot Roomba 560 model. It is used, but it's in great shape and it works great. And the battery is brand new. So I get nice robot here. And I'll quickly show you what I got here. So I'll start off, we got it's inside a box, so the original box here. Serial number right there. Alright. So we got a user manual or owner's manual right here. Quick start guide. Alrighty. So I've got two virtual wall lighthouses here. They're in excellent shape. One does have tiny little marks right there. You can hardly see them. They're not very noticeable at all. They do require 2 C batteries each. Alright. Got power supply or charger right here. Excellent shape. Docking station. For more details, you guys can take a look at the pictures, and if you have questions, please let me know. Alright. An extra filter. Tool, a clean tool for cleaning the brushes. Alright, and the Roomba itself right here. Okay, let me get it out of here. Like I said, it's used, it's not brand new. So it shows a little bit of scuffs in some places, like right there you can see light scratch. Otherwise it looks great. So there you have it, the bumper side. Okay, so yeah, the back side. We've got the 3-legged brush here, it's in great shape. Our front wheel also in great shape here. This model number right there. Everything has been cleaned and disinfected with Clorox wipes, so you get nice clean robot. So here's the dustbin, vacuum bin. There's a serial number right there in case you're interested in. Brushes right here. In great shape. And the clean head module has also have been the gears in it have been cleaned out and re-lubed, so you get long life out of this Roomba. Alright, I'm going to show you guys how it works. So everything has been tested and make sure everything works correctly. And I'll do a straight run so you guys see that the bumper sensors work fine. Alright, there you have it. Thanks for watching.